Hi guys, here is your boy Fidel to show you part of the package of the unboxing that I didn't get to show you before. This is a jacket holder from Action Engineering. This it took me a while for me to decide to go for it. And I'm talking a while, I'm talking several years. Let me show you real quick how is that you use this one here. This is the way this comes, like this, and then it has this latch in here which you just pull, lift it, and then I will show you the way it works. Basically all it is that you load the whatever the product you're gonna print, you load it and then take this down and locks right in place, so it holds the two layer materials from pulling off the pallet. Let me show you real quick how it works. All right, here we got this one here again. You pull the lash and lift it, and then we load the jacket, right? Make sure it's even on both sides. Once you got it in place, just put this down. Make sure again it's even. And hold it right in place, it doesn't go anywhere.